Hi guys, it's Friday afternoon here and it's rainy, so rainy and stormy, and I came outside to check the flowers. Look at these beautiful colors here. Hope you guys like it. They're growing fast, and even this pot, pretty. There's two. My goodness, my last wisteria there. They're so pretty and healthy. I have a lot of hummingbirds here. They love it. I don't know why this rose got diseases. I don't know what to do with him. It's so beautiful, like 3 years old, and I want to save him. There are a lot of colorful flowers. There are the blue lily of the Nile. They're gonna be beautiful. And roses, and more roses. Petunia. Tall rose. And more exciting thing, I have my first lily. They're newer from last year. Lilies and peonies. There's gonna be a lot of lilies around here. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Happy Friday.